Hello everybody, welcome back to Leetcode Simplified. I'm Alan and in today's episode we tackling Leetcode 171 Excel sheet column number. Convert Excel column title to its corresponding column number. For example, given column title A, column number is 1, B is 2, Z 26, and so on and so forth. So basically, Excel columns are a base 26 number system, but instead of digits 0 to 25, we use letters A to Z that maps to 1 through 26. What about 27? 27 equal 26 plus 1. 1 means A, but this 26 also means A. The first A is 1. If we increase 1 at a time, it takes 26 time from this A to go to this A, this position. What about another A is in A. For the leftmost A, multiply it with another 26. It means we multiply 26 two times or 26 times 26. So in short, for A, the rightmost A doesn't get multiplied by 26 at all. It just stays its value to 1. The middle A gets multiplied by 26 once. The leftmost A gets multiplied by 26 two times. Concatenate all A's letters, meaning adding all their numeric values together, and you get the total column number. What about B? What about ABC? Now you can see the pattern clearly. Each letter's value is multiplied by 26 to the power of its position from the right, starting at 0. When we read each letter from left to right, multiply the current total by 26 each time, and then add the letter's numeric value. It's automatically handle these powers up 26 for us. Here's the Python implementation following the steps we just discussed to convert Excel column title to its corresponding column number. Initialize column numbers as 0. For each letter in the title from left to right, multiply the current total by 26, then add the numeric values of the current letter. Let's convert the letter into its numeric value. Its ASCII code, subtract the ASCII code of letter A, then add 1 because A maps to 1. Update the column number with these new values. Return the final column numbers once all the letters are processed. Alright, let's hit the submit button. Moment through. Boom! Accepted. This simple formula works for any length of Excel column title, and the key idea is always multiply by 26, then add the letter's value. The time complexity is big O of n, where n is length of the column title because we loop through each letter once. The space complexity is big O of one constant space. We use only single variable column numbers. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Leetcode Simplified for more step-by-step walkthroughs. I'm Alan and this was Leetcode Simplified. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.